record low is 6 degrees, which was set in 1983. The average... This is the National Weather Service office at Greenville-Spartanburg. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station KHC27's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Test of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station KHC27, broadcasting near Rock Hill on a frequency of 162.425 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Lancaster, Union, and York. And in North Carolina, Cleveland, Gaston, Mecklenburg, and Union. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards to an Alert test. The Charlotte, North Carolina climate summary for yesterday, December 24th, 2024. Yesterday's high temperature.
And that you just heard was a KHC27 weekly test from, well, I already said KHC27 on Christmas Day, as it's the 25th. And as you just heard, through KHC27 reading that, they had said the Charlotte, North Carolina climate summary for yesterday, December 24th, 2024, as in yesterday. So today is Christmas Day, as in the 25th of December, 2024. And yeah, just a plain weekly test from KHC27 as per usual, but also a plain weekly test from KHC27 just a couple of days after they've recently went back on the air. And I say this because I've recently uploaded one video on the timeline of how KHC27 had went, but all I gotta know is for 3 months between late September to December 18th of this year, so within 3 months of each other, KHC27 had been off the air. And in September, that was after the first 3 weeks that they've initially been at a low power output, basically where the signal from radio station isn't as far and distant as it normally is. So yeah, KHC27 has had those kind of issues for 3 months, but well past that now, to where I have this weekly test on Christmas Day. So happy holidays, KHC27, and your 3-month return.